If you think back on your own education and you think of the highlights, most people I ask say it was 1, 2, or 3 teachers that made all the difference in the world. A teacher with vision, a teacher that inspired them. I have here 600 pages of No Child Left Behind. And I would like to ask you how these pages are going to help your school, your teachers, and your children. I mean, if you read parts of it just at random, a participant required to reimburse the secretary for the stipend or bonus paid to the participant under this section shall pay an amount that bears the same ratio as to the amount of the stipend or bonus as the insured. It goes on and on and on. We send $1 to Washington. They take 25% of overhead or more. They send that money back to us with this, and our school administrators have now got to read this and comply with it. Lynn said that schools will get credit for doing A, B, or C, that we're going to fix the whole child. Do you want me in Washington determining what is the whole child and how to fix it? Do you want these set of inflexible rules running your school and running your school administration? No. I say you as parent need to have the choices. You need to find the teachers that inspire your children, because all the rest doesn't matter. If, in fact, you as a parent have choice, if your children are in a classroom with people that inspire them, we can save that half that dollar that we send to Washington that comes back to regulations that cost us another 25 cents. We can save that, and we can spend it where it really matters, in the classroom and with teachers that inspire our kids.